Hello everyone, welcome to Web Development Session 4. In today's class, we are going to learn external CSS. Now, in the last two sessions, we have discussed how inline and internal CSS works. In internal CSS, we have seen that we can use a tag like this. In the tag, we can use the style and we have to just write the all element along with what stylings we want inside that. Now, I'm going to remove this entire thing and we will see our project output, how it is looking like. So right now it's just again back to normal. There is nothing background size, nothing is there here, right? So I'm going to apply the styling now with the help of external CSS. How to use external CSS? First of all, the name suggests external itself means it should be outside of this index.html. So first of all, I'm going to make a file. How to make a file in Visual Studio? So if you just keep your cursor on this file name, you can see an option of a plus sign. This plus sign is basically nothing but your new file. Okay, so when you click on it, you will get an option where you can actually select the name of the file. So suppose I want to name the file as style.css. Now, the reason to add a CSS to this is CSS means it's going to give all the extensions of styling. That is the cascading style sheet. Now, if I write the codes over here, let's say I want to change the background of this body. So what I need to do, I'm going to write the code inside my style.css file. Now, when I start writing the code, I will simply write body, curly brackets, enter. Now, whatever the things I want to change in this body, I will write that inside this curly bracket. That's the syntax of your style.css command. I'm going to write here that my background color should turn to a different color. So I will select background color, let's say biscuit again. And now when I check the output, you can see still the output is not showing. Now, what is the reason? Actually, I have not added any link between my external CSS file and the HTML. So I need to tell now that what is this body means. Body is nothing but it's here in the file which is index.html. So we have to make a link between these two files. How to provide that link? This link will be provided in the index.html itself inside the head tab. So after title, I'm writing a code here to provide that link, which is link rel. That is the relation. The relation of this file to my CSS file is nothing but a styling. So I will write here style sheet. Then I'm going to give a reference that is href, which I'm going to write the file name of CSS. So here I use style.css. If I have used maybe style1.css, that time you will write that only over here. Whatever your file name, you will be giving the reference of that file. So here right now my file name is style.css. I am writing that with a greater than sign. Now there is a link between my file, which is CSS and HTML. Now when you check the output, you can clearly see that the background has changed. Now you can do some more changes in CSS. For example, not even the background color. What if I want to change the entire text align to the center? So in that case, I can simply say text align center. And you can see the entire thing comes to the center. The color could be changed. For example, suppose I want to change the color of only the H1 tag. I can simply write color, which could be changed to red. And you can see only the heading tag has changed its color to red. So that's how we have learned in this entire last 3 sessions that how inline, internal and external CSS works. Please do comment that if you have any question or doubt, I will try to solve it all. See you all into my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.